Hello friends, recently we conducted computer live tests, that is CLT, and we got tremendous overwhelming response from all of you. About 10,000 students they wrote this exam, and we got so many phone calls from the students. They really appreciated the standard of questions, equal distribution as per the NEET exam of question from all the subjects or photographs, etc. And it was an equally balanced paper. So I thank all of you for writing this exam and making it a grand success. Now the question is, what was the need of this CLT? This CLT, so called computer live test, is the full dress rehearsal of the exam what you are going to write for NEET and DNB. It is exactly same thing what you have done will be happening in this your main exam also. Well, all of you know that on 26th January there is a big parade in Delhi, and some of you are not aware that on 2 or 3 days before that, that is on 23rd January, a full dress rehearsal occurs of the entire parade. Exactly what is going to happen on 26th. This was the same dress rehearsal for you for your main exam. Now let us see what was our idea. The idea was, so need of CLT was, first of all, to make you assess what is the exam pressure. Those of you who have written in the center, you must have realized there is a lot of exam pressure is there. Time management, how you have to manage the time. And one more thing, many students reach late, but we did not give them extra time. That means they have a pressure to finish the exam on time. That is the time management. Stress management, when you are writing the exam, lot of stress is there. Concentration, remember this is very important, because you get fatigue. Why? You are constantly watching the computer for 3 hours, and most of us are not familiar with this fatigue element. And what is style of exam, what type of pattern of question are exam, and finally where do you stand in the country. All these were the need of the exam. And one more thing, this exam marking was based on prometric system. As you know, in prometric system each question does not carry equal marks. Easy question carry 1 mark, more difficult 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 depending on the difficulty. And it is just like kaun banega crorepati, because each question does not carry equal value. So due to all these, it was a need of CLT exam, and I congratulate all the students who have done who have stood very good rank. In fact, every student needs a congratulation, because we wrote, some got very good rank, some does not, but doesn't mean that your preparation is not good, but it is a awakening call for us to perform better. Okay, still you have time, so don't worry, each one of you will get success. Now detail about how to prepare for exam, what is prometric system, I have already posted in YouTube. In the YouTube you just type Dr. Bhatia prometric system, and you must see that video how to prepare at this junction of the time. Now when you are preparing for exam, you have a lot of doubts and queries. Those are our students who are registered with us. You can post your question in Facebook. Our premier group is a closed group for our registered student, but DBMCI consider every candidate as our own, whether you are registered with us or not. those who are not registered, you are all still, we consider you as our friend, we want you to also perform very well. For that you can post your question on academics at the rate of dbmi.edu.in, but this for those who are not registered with us. In addition, you must see Harrison update, 19 edition update in YouTube. You must see. From this you will get minimum 5 or 6 questions of 6 marks each. You must see this. ECG is there in YouTube, neurology is there in YouTube. You must see. You from this you will get minimum 8 to 10 questions. And finally, the entire team of DBMCI wishes you all the best for all the forthcoming exam, and on my personal behalf also I wish you all the best. Thank you very much for watching this video. All the best.